What creates tragedies in human life? Human life is a complex phenomenon. We are in consistent interactions with our environment and people around us. These communications are spiritual, material, economical, and language content discourses. In a way, these communications are direct as well as indirect. Many people think that communications are verbal or non-verbal, but intelligent people knows that communication energies are universal. It can't be constricted and kept in the narrow framework mentioned above. The environmental communications, human communications, everything can be grouped in electromagnetic photon reality setting. If you try to take the example of all tragedies happened so far, there are some linkages to prior electromagnetic photon setting. Is this a blunder? Why I am saying so? That means the energies, whether it's good or bad, manifests in pre-settings. You may have heard people saying, "What I feared, it had happened." Similarly, you may have heard people saying, "What I meditated and visualized for years, came to happen." Human realities are like that. This idea has proper connection with the universal soul or universal energy. That means whether it's universal good energy or universal evil energy, these are consistently monitoring humans towards where there is more slope, it will manifest. Why I am saying this? People like to view energies in divided stratas or compartments. They say the energy in physics is different from the energy in chemistry, and they further say these are completely different from political energies that set political visible realities. But this is not completely true. Of course, you can create alienated closed systems through energy foreplays. That is what many global leaders actually do. I was stressing this because humans must be very serious about building their positive electromagnetic photonic environment. That means this can only be done by ionic balancing of the unseen world. This is a mutual interplay and movement of all gaseous, liquid, solid icons. Tragedies can be man-made as well. This is done by enemies. That means for certain selfish motives, people you have heard can also cause your downfall. What many successful people does is they predefine their tragedies and act accordingly. Actually, according to my opinion, is ideological pre-settings is very important. This is a form of building human electromagnetic photon reality environment, taking all the downfall points into equal importances. Remember, even though after all these efforts, tragedies can happen, it needs proper improvements, taking all the points into consideration. It's common. Tragedies are heartbreaking and avoiding those sorrows are impossible. But humans must move on and solve all their tragedies to make better Earth.